tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service. What